Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 4th of September 2025. In today's top renewable energy news. At the National Conservative Energy Summit in Cleveland, developers and regulators warned that restrictive laws are stalling wind and solar projects. One major theme was the need for both the federal and local governments to remove increasingly high hurdles to building renewable energy. Its goal of achieving American energy independence includes support for a range of technologies, including solar, wind, battery storage, hydrogen, biomass, as well as small modular nuclear reactors. The Colombian regulatory framework is going through a crucial moment for the consolidation of the energy transition. CREG Resolutions 066 and 069 of 2024, which regulate the calculation and application of the reliability charge, send a bad signal to the market and affect the competitiveness of renewable sources. The main concern of the Guild is that, under these conditions, clean energy projects lose financial attractiveness. In a landmark restructuring of indirect taxes, the GST Council on Wednesday reduced rates applied to certain goods, including wind and solar components. The new structure will be effective from September 22nd. The change has sent out a clear message for India's energy economy, specifically that coal will become more expensive, while renewables and hydrogen-based technologies will get a boost. With coal still meeting around 70% of India's electricity needs, the higher GST is likely to feed into power tariffs in the short run. A new executive decree marks a large change for the Costa Rican energy market. The regulations prioritize renewable projects that enter into operation before 2029. They also enable new private investments in transmission, storage, and generation. The changes are also hoping to make energy contracting mechanisms more flexible. This is expected to accelerate the incorporation of more than 500 megawatts of renewable capacity between 2026 and 2028. According to a court filing on Thursday, Danish wind farm developer Ørsted Revolution Wind joint venture has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. government over their decision to stop construction of the project off Rhode Island. The U.S. Bureau of Ocean Energy Management gave Revolution Wind a stop work order last month. It forced the suspension of a project that was 80% complete with all offshore foundations in place and 45 out of 65 wind turbines installed. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.